Hello everyone. So we again welcome you in our new problem of mathematics, that is x to the power 4 plus a to the power 4 that is equal to 0. Now our main target is to solve this particular problem. So when we try to solve it, we see that the value of x that is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 by 4 into a, that is the wrong answer. So in order to find out the correct answer, we need a concept, that is De Moivre's theorem, that says cos x plus I sin x to the power n, that is cos nx plus I sin nx. So we will move forward with the help of this problem. Let's see. Okay, so what we are having, solution. What we are having, x to the power 4 plus a to the power 4 that is equal to 0. This is our problem. That means x to the power 4 that is minus 1 a to the power 4. Now in order to solve this problem, we have to consider, let x square equals to u. That will say u square equals to x to the power 4. Put this value in this equation. We will have u square equals to minus 1 a to the power 4. Taking a square root of both sides, we will have u equals to plus minus 1 to the power 1 by 2 a square. Okay, now we are moving forward. So now we will see by using concept 1 that this minus 1 can be written by using De Moivre's theorem. Let me put it aside. Okay, we can write this minus 1 such that minus 1 that is equal to, now using De Moivre's theorem, it will be cos pi plus, that is plus I sin pi. Okay, because the value of cos pi that will be equal to minus 1 and the value of sin pi that will be equal to 0. So this will be equal to minus 1. Now moving ahead, we will get minus 1 to the power 1 by 2, that is cos pi plus I sin pi to the whole power pi by 2. That will lead us minus 1 to the power 1 by 2 that is equal to cos, using De Moivre's theorem, this n will stick with this particular x, that is cos nx plus I sin nx. So by using that concept, we will have cos pi, oh this is 1 by 2. Okay, so let me correct it. This is 1 by 2 okay, cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Here we have the value of cos pi by 2, that is 0, and the value of sin pi by 2, that is 1. So we are having I. Now by this equation, the value of u will be equals to plus minus I a square. So this will be our equation number 1. So this is the first step of this particular problem. Now we'll move towards the second step. Now here we will have the case first. the case first. What does case first says? Case first says the u is equal to plus ia square, that is ia square, which means if we replace by this u by the x square, here we are having this u, okay, so we will replace it by x square, ia square. We will have the value of x, that will be plus minus I to the power 1 by 2 a. Okay, now we will again use the De Morbius theorem. The value of I will be cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Okay, so if we want to find out the I to the power 1 by 2, we will have, using the De Morbius theorem, cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Okay, so let me make it on the full board. Now this concept will be used in this particular equation. The value of x will be equal to plus minus cos pi by 4. Okay, so the means of cos pi by 4 lead us to 1 upon under root 2 plus I sin pi by 4, that is also 1 upon root 2, and this a. So these are the first two roots of this particular fourth degree equation. Okay, now we will work for the another two roots. Now we will move towards the case second. What does the case second says? The case second says when u equal to minus I a square. Here we can see. Now using the another style, now what we are having, we are having u equals to minus I into a square. That means x square equal to minus I a square. Here x will be equal to minus I to the power 1 by 2 a, and before this we will have to apply the sign of plus minus. Okay, now again using De Morbius theorem, the value of minus I, that will be equal to cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. So why have we choose this? Because the value of cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, and the value of I sin 3 pi by 2, that is minus 1. So as a resultant we will have it minus I. So in next step we will have the minus I to the power 1 by 2. That means we will have, by using De Morbius theorem, cos 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. Okay, so as a resultant the value of cos 3 pi by 4 and sin 3 pi by 4 will be, so the value of cos 3 pi by 4, that will be equal to minus 1 upon under root 2, and the value of sin 3 pi by 4, that will be 1 upon root 2. Now put the value of minus I to the power 1 by 2 in this particular equation. We will have x equals to plus minus 1 upon root 2 plus I upon root 2. By taking minus common, we will have minus plus 1 upon root 2 minus I upon under root 2. So here we are having the desired roots of x. The desired root of x will be a final roots of x will be x equals to, if we are taking the positive roots first, 1 upon root 2 plus I upon root 2 with this a, and we have missed one thing, that is a. Okay, now okay, again taking the second positive root, that is 1 upon root 2 minus I upon root 2 a. So now we will take the another negative roots, that will be minus 1 upon root 2 plus I upon root 2 a, and then minus 1 upon root 2 minus I upon root 2 a, and this is our required answer. So I hope I definitely help you to solve this particular problem, and I definitely want to be sure myself that this problem will help you in future to tackle the particular intensity of the question. So if you like the method, if you like the concept, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned with me. Very well wishes from my side.